Hello once again, this is James. Welcome to my Microsoft Word videos. Today we are going to look at equations in Microsoft Word. For example, you might have mathematical equations like this below, and you could be asked to enter them, or you could get a paper and you're supposed to enter such equations in your document. How would you do this? For example, a teacher is trying to set a math test and he's supposed to put in these equations. Let us see how we can do this. Starting with this first equation here, we shall come down here, say value it. Then we shall go to our insert tab. Let's zoom in a bit. So we shall go to our insert tab. Then we shall go to the equations sub-tab. So under here, you'll notice that it has some basic equations: the binomial, the area of a circle, the Fourier series, the expansion of a sum, and many others. But we aren't interested in those. We want to perform or to create a customized equation. So let's insert a new equation. So this fella here will come where we're supposed to insert our equation. Up above here, we come to the equation tools, which gives us the symbols, which you can toggle between different symbols, Greek letters, as you can see. You can go to operators, among other things, scripts, and so on and so forth. But right about this side is now where we also get to see other structures which are linked to equations. For example, when you look at our first part of this equation, we see that we find our first symbol coming from integral. So we shall go to integral and try to pick out something which befits our starting part of the equation. In this case, you can of course scroll through the whole menu, but you have to pick out one which is more appropriate for your course. In this case, I'm going to choose this, and I'm going to come and put my 4, put my 1, and right about here, they say you're supposed to put x squared plus 1 over square root. So first order of business, what you're going to do is you're going to change this to a fraction, since it's supposed to be a fraction, and we shall change this further also to a script, because it says x what squared. So we shall put our x, then right about here we put plus, then we shall of course come and put a plus sign, then we put our 1, then right about here we put our dx, then below we've been asked to put a square root sign with an x in it. So we still come to the radical part. That's where we find the square root options. Then we choose this option, and it will give us that. And in this space we need x, and there we are. I think we have managed to do our equation, the first equation, as seen in the video. Now, it's important that you know the right symbols to put in your equation, otherwise you might get stuck as you try to do your equation. This is it for the first equation. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.